Please, that's $5,000. $5,000. If you don't do this in the next 2 minutes.
Hi, I'm Palash, and you are with me here at the lovely New Punjab Club. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you a very easy trick to make an Indian style barbecue sauce. I personally love barbecuing, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you with this hot weather coming up on us would enjoy a barbecue or two. So this recipe needs only 2 ingredients, and I have them here. These are my favorite things on earth. This is Maggi masala ketchup. I've just grown up eating this, and this is Dabur honey, the world's best honey. So what you need to do is, in a simple bowl, pour equal quantities of these two in there, warm it up in a microwave for 10 seconds, and this barbecue sauce is ready, right? You can add so many different things to it, like Tabasco sauce or Worcestershire sauce, maybe some chili pepper, chili powder, cumin powder, just to add a very profound profile flavor to it. But just these 2 things would do the trick for you. When you have this thing ready, apply it over your meat or your vegetables or your cheese, for example, halloumi, paneer, feta, so many possibilities. Marinate them, brush them up, put it on your barbecue and just let it cook. Once it's cool, or if you like it really hot, have it straight away and enjoy this wonderful barbecue sauce with your grilled meats, fish or cheese. Thank you.